Today is Wednesday, May 27th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And it's looking a bit quieter in the Great Lakes. We've got some showers moving out of the Midwest, and there could be some thunderstorms on the stronger side in parts of the Midwest and into the Mid-Atlantic states. It's mainly, we'll say, from Ohio to West Virginia and Northern Virginia, where there could be some showers and storms. You see that early in the loop. So this afternoon, everything's sort of diving off to the south and east. But look at tomorrow. Looking very quiet throughout this entire loop for much of the Midwest and into the Mid-Atlantic. Feeling summery, 91 over there in Minneapolis, maybe an isolated thunderstorm, 87 in Grand Rapids, 84 in Detroit, got 80 in Cleveland, 84 in Chicago, maybe around 90 there in Des Moines. Showers and storms earlier today in Louisville and Cincy, diving south and east toward Nashville, Roanoke, and maybe even into the Carolinas by later on this evening. Generally in the 80s along the Ohio River. So we got their ups and downs here, right? We got 70s tomorrow with a cool front, and then another warm front pushes back into the 80s on Friday, only to be back down into the 70s for the weekend. But overall, actually looks like a pretty decent stretch of weather. Chicago will probably cool to the 70s tomorrow, but then kind of hover around 80 or just above Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. As we look at the south here, the same sort of loop, we got showers and storms that are firing up over and over again here in the lower Mississippi, southeastern Texas. There's a spin here in the atmosphere. You can kind of see that, right? And that's just pushing all this moisture up from the Gulf of Mexico. So especially in the afternoon, so this afternoon and then probably tomorrow afternoon, you get these flare-ups of showers and storms. You got the moisture, and then you add the sunshine through the morning, you get the bursts of showers and storms getting fueled by that. 80 degrees in Washington, D.C. today with some showers probably late this afternoon into this evening. Some of that may clip Wilmington by this evening with a thunderstorm. Scattered showers and storms Atlanta to Savannah. We could use the rain in this part of the country. We have some exceptional drought conditions cutting through the southeast, and we've had some issues with fires that have been burning. 86 in New Orleans, 83 in Dallas. Everyone kind of a small threat for a shower or thunderstorm, but we notice that the greater concentration of those, at least for now, is here in the southeastern part of Texas over to the lower Mississippi. We got a cooling trend in the southeast because we got wet weather that's coming in. All those scattered showers in southeast Texas move into the southeast, and look what happens, upper 70s for highs by this weekend. Fort Lauderdale, scattered clouds this morning. We got mostly cloudy skies, isolated thunderstorm this afternoon, 88 degrees, 82 by this evening. Lots of summery Florida weather, which means upper 80s, humid, and an isolated thunderstorm possible right through the weekend. Okay, that is your Wednesday morning weather update. I hope everyone enjoys the rest of their week. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.